So students, here is the topic: sharing photos on the web. You can share your digital photographs with friends, family, and even strangers after signing up with a photo sharing site, which enables you to upload digital photos that can even be viewed, rated, tagged, or commented upon by other people. See, as we or so many people are doing through Facebook, right? The most important consideration while deciding which photo sharing site to use is how much storage space you get on the site. Okay, you can get free accounts from many photo sharing sites, but for a less storage space. Means account to make account that is easy for you, that is free of cost, but the storage space is less. Okay, to get more storage space and more features, you can also upgrade to a paid account. For more space you need to pay for it, because digital photos are often quite large and more storage space you have. Okay, the more photos you can upload to the site. Okay, there are so many occupations in that people need to share the photos. Okay, so for that they must take in paid account so that they can share their photos, because often the more storage space you have, the more photo you can upload to the site. For free accounts, most photo sharing sites offer between 100 MB to 1 GB of storage. Almost all sites offer you to purchase more storage space, right? Next is Flickr. About www.flickr.com. Flickr is the most popular photo sharing site. This is one of the photo sharing sites, right? So, it allows you to edit your photos, organize them into albums. You can do editing also with the photos. You can make an album, create cards and books, and control the viewers of your photos. You can manage the viewers also of your photo. A free Flickr account enables you to upload 1000 GB of photos. That is really very nice. You can upgrade to a pro account. What is it? Which is a paid account that offers unlimited uploads and storage. If that is not sufficient, that space is not sufficient, 1000 GB, then you can upgrade a pro account, which is a paid account that offers unlimited uploads and storage. Okay, next thing is web app. What is it? A web app is an application. App means application is stored on a web server that you access through a browser. We are taking access of internet through a browser only. So you can access it through a browser. You can interact with web apps directly at a website. Okay, sometimes referred to as a host. Web app hosts usually provide storage for your data and information on their servers, known as cloud storage. These web apps are providing us space also for storing information and photos, that is known as cloud storage. Many web app hosts provide free access to their software, while others offer part of their web app free and charge for access to a more comprehensive program. Means some of the part is free, but for more features, for more part, for that they will charge for it. Okay, many include advertisement in the free version and charge for an advertisement free version. Okay, Google Docs is the example of web app. Okay, next is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the world's largest professional network on the internet. It is the largest professional network on internet with more than 259 million members worldwide. These are connected with LinkedIn. Okay, it was launched on May 5, 2003 by Reid Hoffman. LinkedIn connects the world's professionals to make them more productive. Here, they are sharing their views, ideas to make their professional more productive and successful. This can be used to find jobs. Here, jobs are also available, people, and business opportunities recommended by someone in one's contact network. Okay, that is all about the professionals. Next is TeamViewer. What is it? The TeamViewer software allows for remote control, desktop sharing, and file transfer between computers. What is the use of it? It allows for remote control, desktop sharing. We can share the data, and file transfer between computers. It can connect to any PC. We can connect TeamViewer to any PC, so you can remote control your partner's PC. You can operate your partner's PC also, okay, by it, as if you were sitting right in front of it. Okay, that is the use of TeamViewer. At the same time, you can have the control of your partner's PC. For the remote session to work, the partner has to start a small application that does not require installation. Only a small application the partner need to start, and with the help of that, other person can have the control on your PC. Okay, TeamViewer is complete, or we can say compatible with multiple platforms including Windows. Means it is compatible. It works on Windows, Mac OS X, Linux, iOS, and Android also. Okay, it is easy to operate in any of them, like Windows or Mac or Linux or Android. In next, we'll discuss about social networking, blogging, WhatsApp Messenger, etc. That is all for today.